I don't look the best. Oh my gosh. But it's 3 a.m. We have to catch a flight. That's at 7 a.m. So let's do that. Also, I had to rewear yesterday's outfit because I didn't have any shirt now. So yeah. Guys, we are here. It's so cold. The AC is like turned off all the way. What I meant to say is like the airport is so big and yet there's so little passengers. I just had the worst fucking like headache because I had stuffy nose. And it just, my whole head was about to explode. It felt like someone was like drilling my head. Yes, we made it to SMC5. Peter, if you're watching this, hi. I guess this part of the vlog is kind of dedicated for you. Ah! I think we're gonna eat lunch here. I slept 3 hours last night. So I slept 3 hours last night and literally I'm so tired. But you know what? At least we're in Cebu, diba? Just got done eating. I think I'm gonna buy a shirt because I'm missing a shirt because we're staying here for 3 days and I only have 2 shirts. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna go to Pen Shop and get Jenna's shirt. Hopefully they still have it or something NCC related because I have mental illness like that. It literally, we just got here and they're already playing. I don't know if you can see me, but we're in the car. We took like a good 5 at least hours nap, and now I think we're just going to close to SM Seaside, or they sell like a bunch of street food, so I'm very excited for that. Yeah.
Malalaking bato na nakatampak lang.
We made it, guys. We're just moving around. What I really want to eat? I want to eat. I'm so hungry. I think I'm going to pick up a burger. I don't know. I was really craving a burger right now. So. Visiting some historic places.
Colors. Colors. 眠れない夜は込み気まぐれな子猫のようにいつだってそう自由に噛め甘えてよもっと信じてよ Yeah 僕を試してるつもりの problem わざと特別ジェニー知らない perfume この腕の中は君の居場所駆け引きなんてもう必要ないのにねえ望むなら何もかも君にあげる all of me So please baby open up to me
We made it to top of Cebu. Oh, it's really pretty. It's very, very pretty. Yeah, we're gonna have breakfast here, I think.
Your colors Yeah Colors Oh your colors Colors yeah Colors Yeah Girl your colors Yeah Colors Let me talk the talk Let me walk the walk I'm a water 고침에 닦고 날 쇼도 Hear me go 신어대 때때라면 I give and take 약속도 감이라 넌 a better vision 묶어지나 히토미니 어금더 다이아몬드 미치메어 우타비니 요래로 딜레마 누구를 묵었대 놓고는 드라마 쓰레기가 왔던 마마 난이 머리에 낳고 싶어心に形が내 밤이 새하얀 루노니 So please, baby open up to me Your colors 무작위나 smile I'm just a starlight 전부 시리타이 Your colors Oh baby
Oh, please work this something. There's a doggy! Hello! Look at me.
I'ma love you daddy day I'ma love you lie day 다다아린 놈마마 이쇼니 나를 따라 이수만니 복근이와 고다이가 미치가른 나이 Your colors 소래대모 right 소반이 die 댐부시리 die Your colors Oh baby Oh
I decided to stay in the car because one, I'm tired, and two, I wanted to unbox one of the albums. I'm gonna unbox the Red Velvet. I've been wanting this Red Velvet for a long time, but I couldn't buy it since it was so expensive back in Switzerland. It was 40 bucks, and here it's literally half the price. So, yeah. I wanted it because one, it's so cute, and two, that Sogi PC, I need it. But, you know, I want to see if I get any member except for Joy, because I already have a PC of hers from her Hello album. So, anyone but Joy. Sorry, girl, but I already have your PC. So, if I don't get Sogi, I would love to get Irene. Who? Well, I think the pieces are literally right here. Never mind. Is it in the... Oh, I think it's literally... I saw my phone. Why you do this? But it's not Joy. It's not so gay. But... Wendy! I love this PC. Hello? Cute. Very cute. Okay, I'm not mad. I got... What's her name? I got Yeti. Oh my god, Jesus, I forgot her name. I'm sorry. Fake Red Love. No, I got Yeti. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. I just know her. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait to display this on my desk. What the fuck? Ew, it's the way I forgot Yeti's name. I'm so sorry. Red Velvet stands, Red Loves, do not come for me. Okay, I feel the rhythm. Let's unbox which mode. I got this version, the little Kill Bill version. What is this sticker? I really like this version a lot. Manifesting a Jisung selfie photo card. But if I don't get that, Jeno. A Jeno wouldn't be, ooh, a Renchun. A Renchun, girl, Renchun in this era, in this photo book. Let's see who I'm gonna get. A member, but mainly Jisung photo card, please. Selfie photo card. Oh! It comes with the lucky draw thingy. Let's see the poster. Wow, this poster is so good. Ew, I'm gonna hang this. Ooh. Ooh, they look too good. Photo card time. Let's do the lenticular first. Jeno! Oh my god, I got Jeno. Oh my god. A piece of paper. All that for a piece of paper. Second one. But if I don't get that, Jeno. A Jeno wouldn't be, ooh, a Renchun. A Renchun? Girl, Renchun in this era. What the fuck? Oh, she's kind of damaged in the back, but it's okay. It's the back. It's okay. I got Renjun. Yeah. The last time I called him was hot sauce. It was a long time ago. Oh my god! Wow, it's such a cute photo card. Oh, he looks so good. Wow, Cebu gave me Renjun and Jeno. Oh my god, this Jeno though. Like this. Oh, diba? Duels, time to do a haul that nobody asked for actually. So, anyways, I got this. Okay, first of all, you know, I got the 2 albums, both these photo cards. I got these cute hair ties because I thought they were hair ties. Okay, fun little short story time. I thought they were hair ties, like only hair ties. They were hair ties, but they came with cute little clips. I call them barrettes. Hello? How fucking adorable is that? Oh my god! I have been looking for these. Actually, let me try to do a little quick demo right now. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look how cute that is. Oh, so adorable. Remember that one vlog where I told y'all that the pair of hair ties is literally $20. I was like, wow, enough. You're done. I'm happy about this purchase. I got this headband. Yeah, because whenever I do my skincare and stuff, my hair always gets in the way. So I was like, girl, I need something to like get my hair out of the way, and this is the perfect thing, right, to do so. Oh my god. And the thing is, it only cost me $2 as well. Like, Switzerland really could never. I got a cute little lamp desk for back at home when I'm like in Switzerland. Made it to customs. It's the way I had to carry this polar bear around, but it's very I'm hot. But I used my cute little hair ties. Look. Can you see?